Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So what I like to do is show you how to graph y is greater than absolute value of x. And one thing I noticed about this is, I don't have any transformations. I just have an inequality. So the graph is going to look exactly like my parent graph. However, since this is greater than, I do understand that the graph is going to be dashed. That means all the points that lie on this graph are not going to be a part of the solution, and I'll show you why that works. So anytime it's greater than and not greater than or equal to, it's dashed. Same thing with less than and less than or equal to. So now let's go ahead and graph. Now, again, I said there's no transformations. So I start at my vertex is 0, go over 1, up 1, over 2, up 2, left 1, up 1, left 2, up 2, okay? And we have this dashed line. Now, to show you why it's dashed, let's just choose a point that lies on the line. For instance, the point 1, 1. All I simply need to do is plug in 1 in for x and 1 in for y. All right, then we say 1 is greater than absolute value of 1, which is 1. Well, 1 is not greater than 1. That's false. Since that point lies on the line and it's false, that's why we use the dash. So anytime you see greater than or less than, it's going to be dashed. Greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, it's going to be solid. The next thing, though, we need to determine what about the points that are above or below the graph. We need to test those points as well. And usually we always like to use 0, 0, but we notice that the graph already goes through 0, 0. So if we test 0, 0, we're testing the line again, which we don't want, or testing the graph again, which we don't want to. We want to test the points above and below. So just pick another point, like the point 0, 1. So plug 0 in for x and 1 in for y. So 0 in for x and 1 in for y. Well, the absolute value of 0 is 0. And 1 is greater than 0. That is true. So since that point is true, all the points above the graph are also going to be true, meaning all the points below will be false. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you graph an absolute value inequality. Thanks.